Hello friends, welcome to Study a Lot, and today we will discuss about ozone layer and its depletion and ozone hole. And ozone layer is a very protective shield around our earth which protect us from harmful radiation from the sun. So we will discuss about this topic in video. So let's begin. Ozone layer. The ozone layer, or you said ozone shield, is a region of Earth's stratosphere. Stratosphere is a part of our atmosphere that absorb most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains high concentration of ozone 3. Ultraviolet radiation cause skin cancer in human body. So you can say ozone layer protect us different type skin disease. The ozone layer was discovered in 1913 by the French physicist Charles Fabry and Henri Buisson, but its properties were explored in the detail by the British meteorologist GMB Dobson. In the respect of GMB Dobson, the unit of measurement of ozone is called Dobson. Dobson is a unit you can denote ozone layer thickness. About 19% of the ozone in the atmosphere is contained in the stratosphere. Ozone concentration are greatest between about 20 and 40 km, where they range from about 2 to 8 ppm, means part per million. Here is a diagram and you can learn what is the stratosphere and what is the mesosphere. As you can see, this is the sea level. From sea level up to 10 km, that is called troposphere. 10 km up to 50 km, that is called stratosphere. Stratosphere is the region where ozone layer is created and found. But there is also a specific range, that is 20 km to 30 km, where the richness of ozone layer is almost 90%. So this is a diagram and you can learn it. So how ozone create? Ozone in the Earth's stratosphere is created by ultraviolet light strike ordinary oxygen molecule. As you know, oxygen molecule has two oxygen atoms. When UV light strike on the stratosphere, the oxygen molecule divide two oxygen atom, that is called atomic oxygen, and this atomic oxygen combined with unbroken O2 to create ozone, that is called O3. O3 is the chemical formula of the ozone. The ozone molecule is unstable, although in the stratosphere this ozone long lived, and when again ultraviolet light hits ozone, it split again into a molecule of O2 and one individual atom of oxygen. Then again this process continue. So this process is called ozone oxygen cycle, and chemically this process denote here O2. When UV light strike, this is create 2O, and this O combined O2 create O3. O plus O2 become O3 is a reversible process, means again if strike O3 become O2 and O. So what is the reason for ozone depletion? The ozone layer can be depleted by free radical like many pollutant, which is including nitric oxide, nitrous oxide, hydroxyl, atomic chlorine and atomic bromine. Recent decays because of the release of large quantities of man-made organ halogen compound, especially CFC means chlorofluorocarbon and bromofluorocarbon. The industrialization and pollution is the main cause of ozone depletion. But here is a good news that the largest hole in the ozone layer closed by itself. In April 2020, there is a good news. Here, Copernicus Climate Change Service and Copernicus Atmosphere Monitoring Service confirm that the biggest hole in the ozone layer has healed itself. This hole was 1 million square kilometer on the Arctic region, and this hole was identified by the scientists in March 2020. It was formed due to unusual climate condition, but the reason behind to heal this hole, that is called polar vortex. We will discuss about now polar vortex. Polar vortex, the high altitude currents that are responsible for bringing cold air to the polar region. As you know, on the earth, two polar regions, one is south pole and second is north pole. The polar vortex is a winter phenomena. Polar vortex is cyclonic circular wind that blow in the stratosphere from west to east. Polar vortex extend from tropopause, which is the upper part. Tropopause means which is the upper parts of the troposphere, through the stratosphere and into the mesosphere. Mesosphere what? Mesosphere is the above part of the troposphere. When the vorticity is high, a value of ozone is the minimum and the temperature is at the highest cold. Means when the highest cold, then ozone is the minimum. Thus the hole is closed at the vorticity has decreased. Means vorticity has decreased means the highest cold temperature slightly increased. Thus the largest hole healed itself. So in this video you know about the ozone layer. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So meet you new video in the new topic.